ダニエルとユカ。
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel.
Hi everyone, I'm Yuka.
Today we are
Unboxing
the latest Dyson V11 Outsize Pro vacuum cleaner. So some brief exciting points about the V11 Outsize Pro. 1. It is only available from Dyson directly. 2. It has a 150% larger cyclone bin for collecting lots of trash. 3. It is more powerful. It is in fact the most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner on the planet.
Really?
Well, that's according to Dyson's website.
Okay, so let's check it out.
Okay. The V11 Outsize Pro. Let's keep on going. And I love unboxing stuff. It makes it feel like Christmas. Ta-da! Oh,
Okay.
so shiny.
Whoa. I'm kind of scary to use.
I know,
for-
it's like so beautiful and soft.
Yeah.
It's like, oh man, this is gonna get so dirty and filthy. It's got some power. Ooh. It's definitely a lot quieter than I expected. This is the charging brick. Hello! We're swimming in accessories. We have one instruction manual. I thought this was the main attachment with the wider brush head. But it's actually this bad boy. Look at this. It swivels and it's gold. Let's go through the list of accessories that came with the V11 Outsize Pro. Here we have the High Torque XL cleaner head. Look at how smoothly it rolls. Fluffy cleaner head. The combination tool. So you can easily transition from direct pure maximum suction to delicate brushing. Crevice tool. This is for getting into all those tight spots behind the back of the couch, under the bed, in the corners of windowsills, somewhere very narrow. Mini motorized tool. It has nice bristles. Down here, these two little metal prongs, they suggest that they draw additional power for smaller spot cleaning. The soft dusting brush. It's very soft. It feels a bit like a feather. The stubborn dirt brush is for all of the stubborn patches of dirt that just won't be taught a lesson. This accessory is the wand storage clip. This device is the mattress tool. So it has a little bit of a lint brusher here just for lifting up the pile on the mattress to make sure that the Dyson has solid suction to suck out any dust mites or bed bugs. This accessory is the extension hose. 40 centimeters, and it's very flexible, so it will go around corners. Now this accessory is a two-parter accessory. It has this nice little clip on here, and its official name is the Flexi Crevice Tool. See, it extends, so getting up high, I think, for ceiling fans or windowsills.
That's a good idea because it'll very fun it's dirty.
Yeah, or like cleaning the lights up there, sucking away any cobwebs or dust or anything up there. And finally, this is another two-part accessory called the drop-in dock. So, the disadvantage of using this drop-in dock is that you're kind of restricted to only storing your V11 Outsize Pro in one particular place, because it is designed to be screw-mounted to the wall, and the V11 dock allows you to reposition it anywhere in your house. Okay, we have just unboxed the V11 Outsize Pro. There's a lot of accessories.
I know, I'm not really sure I can use them all.
But wait, that's not all. We also received as a free gift from Dyson the V11 DOK. Now, you know it's better than an ordinary dock because it's spelled with a K. D-O-K. So let's keep on unboxing the V11 Outsize Pro DOK with a K. The Dyson V11 DOK. Ta-da! No wonder this thing was so heavy. This is a very heavy weighted base stand. Here we have the most complicated part of the assembly of the DOK, but it's very, very important. It is basically plugging in the power point to connect this up, so this boring piece of plastic is a charger. Here is the top of the charging dock, and on the back here you'll see this little hole, and down here this is the channel where this power cord will go. And then on top here you'll see in there this little power adapter has to poke in through here. You put it in here like this, pull it out here, and then you'll see there's a little shelf here. So this needs to, it's a little bit finicky, but it rests on this little shelf here, and then you have to clip this down and position it so it goes down nicely. So I'm using a little knife here just to clip in these little things there, on that side, and on the other side, just to push it in. And here we go. So now, when you slot this right here, this is where the Dyson V11 Outsize Pro charges, and this is the battery pack here. So it will just rest in there like that. Ta-da! Like this. So then I can just tidy this up along here, channel this down here like this, and now it's all very, very aesthetically pleasing, seamless, and I can come over here to the dock. This clips in here like that. There we go. Now this doesn't really give you a lot of space, so maybe it's a good idea that you don't necessarily have to push it all the way down to the bottom, but if we put it in the corner here, like so, and here we have 45% charging. So as the battery is charging, you'll see some flashing blue lights here. You can check the status of the battery just by tapping the silver button here.
While we are using, we have to push this trigger like this all the time.
So there's 3 modes for this vacuum cleaner. So this normal mode is in the center, and that gives you an indicator of about 45 to 50 minutes. You press it once to go to boost mode, but boost mode is really powerful suction, but the battery life is maybe 15 minutes. Or there's eco mode, which will give you about an hour worth of suction, which is a pretty heavy duty workout. So it feels like I'm actually getting a bit of a workout as well at the same time.
Is it heavy?
It's a little bit heavy. I think it's about 3 kilos.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's not that heavy.
Wow, look at that angle as it pivots. Wow, you can get right in under there. Okay, it's time to do the flower suction test. So to empty it, you need to push this button here first to disconnect it from there, and then push this down like that, push this down like that. Oops, I think I just made a big frickin' mess. Basically, all you have to do is you just push this button here and take it off, right? And then you take it over to the trash can and then you push this button down and then it opens up and then it doesn't even have to touch anything. Okay, here's our first time using the mattress tool. So we have another video that we filmed recently, which is the steam cleaner. So we plan to steam clean this mattress here and try and get some of these stains out of the mattress. So it's definitely a good idea before steam cleaning any mattresses is to first of all do a deep suction with a Dyson and then follow it up with the 1-2 combo of steam cleaning. The Dyson V11 Outsize Pro is perfect for the slightly larger than normal house, as it has a very, very large capacity. Look, I've been cleaning just for about 10 minutes, and look at all this dirt and grime that we sucked up out of here. We got some hair, some cat fur, and we smashed through all of the flour that we sprinkled on the table. Just like you should. Smash that like button. In conclusion, we're very excited to finish giving this Dyson V11 Outsize Pro vacuum cleaner a thorough clean of our house. This has been on our wish list for quite a while. We finally decided to pull the trigger and invest in a Dyson V11 Outsize Pro to make sure that our house is as squeaky clean as possible. See you again next time. Bye!